Hello,
Hello,
how are you today?
I'm fine.
All right, my name is Teacher Sunday, and we are here for our speaking test. Are you ready?
Okay.
All right. Can you please tell me a little bit about yourself?
My name is Zahui and I am 13 years old and I'm from class D4.
Good. Zahwi, where do you live?
I live in Hanoi.
Who do you live with?
I live with my father, my mother and my little brother.
Good. And what's your favorite? Do you play sports?
No, I don't.
Okay. What's your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject is the math.
Math. Oh, no, I don't like math. Good luck.
Okay.
All right, let's get into the speaking test. We've learned about viruses.
Okay.
What do you know about viruses?
Virus is small. Some of them can make the body have problems, but some of them is good for the body.
Can we see the viruses?
Yes, we can see them through a microscope.
Okay. And there are many types of them.
Yes.
Do they have the same shapes?
No, there are many shapes of them.
All right. Now let's talk about this particular type of virus, the influenza virus. What do you know about it?
Influenza virus is tiny and it's not good for the body. It makes the body to be influenza.
What type of sickness does it cause?
It causes influenza.
Does it cause flu?
Yes, I think.
All right. And when someone has flu, how does the person feel? What symptoms can the person have?
I think they can be cough,
Can have cough, okay.
be cold, and
Cold.
can work normally.
Can't walk normally, so they can feel tired. Right?
Yes.
Good. All right. How do you think this influenza virus get into our body?
I think it can get into the body through the cut of the body.
Cut on the skin.
Yes.
Good.
Or it can go through the food or the nose.
Okay. Especially when we touch our nose with our fingers and with the fingers infected.
Yes.
Or I think they can also get into our bodies through the eyes or even the mouth. They find every way they can to get into the body.
Yes.
All right. Now, our bodies can fight these viruses. Can you tell me how our bodies try to fight the viruses?
First, in the nose, we are the hair to keep the virus or to keep the virus from go into the body. In the blood, where the immune, it fight the virus to kill it and keep it not to make the body feel tired.
Do you remember anything about the stomach acid? Do you remember the stomach acid?
Yes.
What does it do? Where is it? What does it do?
It is the mucus and it keep the virus into it and go to the stomach.
The stomach acid? The stomach acid is some kind of lipid in our stomach that kills the virus when they get into the body. Okay.
Yes.
And what about the white blood cells? What do white blood cells do?
It kills the virus when it come in through the body in the blood.
Good. Now let's talk about these parts of the respiratory system. What part is this?
This is the diaphragm.
Diaphragm. What part is this one?
The lung.
This part, this tube-like part?
The trachea.
And this part?
This the nose.
Good. Can you tell me about these parts of the circulatory system?
This the heart of the circulatory system.
Good. And these tiny ones?
This the capillary.
Good. The blue one here?
The blue one is the vein.
And the red one?
The arteries.
Good. Now, we already learned that these two systems work together.
Yes.
Good. Can you tell me how they do that? You can start from the nose.
The air come through the nose and come into the lungs. Next, the oxy in the air.
Oxygen?
The oxygen goes into the blood, and the heart pumps the blood through the artery and veins to go through the body to give the oxygen and the food to the
cells.
To the cells.
Okay.
Yes. And next, the veins bring the blood that doesn't have the oxygen and food go back to the heart, and the artery deliver the blood that have the oxygen and food go again to the cell.
Okay, do we take out something from our bodies?
Yes.
What is it? Do we breathe out something?
Yes, we breathe out the carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Good. So after the cells work in our body, they make carbon dioxide. And the carbon dioxide goes back to the heart and back to the lungs, and then we can breathe it out. And then we can breathe it out through our nose. Excuse me. All right. Now let's talk about sports. Do you exercise?
Yes.
How often do you exercise?
I ride a bike for 6 times a week.
To school?
Yes, I ride it to school in the morning.
In the morning. Do you think you need to exercise more?
Yes, I think, because exercise is good.
All right. What other things do you do to stay healthy?
I can eat more fruit and vegetable to keep the body too healthy.
All right. Now let's talk about general things you think, healthy habits you think everyone need to do to keep fit and stay healthy.
I think everybody should walking or cycling for at least 1 time a week. And every day they should eat fruits and vegetables in the meal.
What about sleeping and drinking water?
They should go to bed early and wake up early every day, and should drink at least 2 liters of water every day.
All right. Okay, Zahi, thank you so much. And that's the end of your speaking test.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.